In this video, we will show you how to attach the Heine SLR SLM camera adapter to your camera. You need a Heine dermatoscope, a digital camera, and a camera adapter set. The adapter set consists of two parts, the Heine camera adapter and a T2 bayonet adapter. To find out which is the right adapter combination for your camera, please have a look at the how-to document linked below. Screw the Heine adapter onto the bayonet adapter. Align the red or white dots on both the camera and the adapter to connect them. Turn until there is an audible click. As a basic setting, turn the focusing ring until the middle line of the scale is visible. Now you can easily connect the camera to your instrument. Switch on both devices to start the imaging process. We recommend the highest light intensity level for the dermatoscope. To get a sharp image at any magnification, turn the focusing ring on the dermatoscope. You are ready to take dermatoscopic images now.